mental health.
And Jim, to Bernardo's point, when you're bringing out all the things that the prosecutor did not tell them in the opening statement, you can rhetorically ask the question, why did they not tell you these things? And then they put on all of these witnesses who tell you one thing, but then they kind of took away from the prosecution's case and actually fit right into what our defense is. Thank you, turning flourishing to the prosecutor for the help. What do you think?
You always want to bring out your worst facts in opening statement. You don't want to give the defense the opportunity to inform the jury of something. After I sit down an opening statement, I want the jury to have every piece of fact they need to make the determination at the end of the case and not have any surprises by the prosecution. And that's exactly what occurred here. I would note that this is a witness that's called out of order. So oftentimes when we're doing a trial, that can bring up a problem because we haven't really established through forensic evidence that, there's some forensics here that might tend to prove Mr. Prokopovitz's guilt. And yet now you're dealing with and making the issue mental health, as Bernardo pointed out, and a witness that really probably shouldn't have been called at this time of the trial before you've gotten that jury to the point where they're thinking, he did it.
Well, listen, I'm not disagreeing with you guys with the concept that you want your witnesses, everything is planned to a T, and you hate when you have to take them out of order. But when you have to, you still want a witness that's going to move the ball forward. I personally just don't think that this witness did it. Anyway, let's listen to a little bit more of the prosecutor's